Paano nga ba mag-lose ng weight from here up to here? Yan ang pag-uusapan natin today. So kung excited ka na malaman yan, make sure to keep on watching. Hi there guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is me again, Shay. Isa ka rin ba sa mga beginners na nagtatanong kung paano nga ba gawin si low carb from this December 2024 na up to 2025. So, yan ang share ko sa inyo today, sharing with you the 3 best tips na pwede nyong gawin this 2024 up to 2025, especially if you are a beginner. For our tip number 1, guys, is we have to focus kung ano ba yung nilalagay natin sa ating mga plato. So, focus tayo sa basic, guys. So, first, kailangan mo nating maintindihan if you are going or if you are doing low carb is iwas tayo sa mga inflammatory, iwas sa inflammation, iwas tayo sa mga high carb foods, iwas tayo sa any types of sweets kung gusto ninyo na it's either ang goal ninyo is to lose weight or especially kung ikaw ay gustong maging healthy. Focus sa plato, ibig sabihin we have to be aware ano ba yung mga nilalagay natin sa ating pagkain or sa ating mga kinakain or sa plato natin mismo, guys. Basic ng ating low carb ay meat, eggs, seafoods, green leafy vegetables. Pagdating sa drinks, basic na si water, and syempre ang ating green tea, black coffee, or apple cider vinegar. So, dun tayo magpo-focus and make sure na nutrient dense yung ating mga kakainin. So, ibig sabihin, dapat nutrient dense pa rin yung mga choices na pinipili natin. Especially ngayong holiday season, guys. Naku, napakadaming mga choices of food everywhere. Pero ingat-ingat dahil malamang mostly high carb foods, mostly may mga sweets na drinks man yan or food. So, pagdating sa ating basic na foods, guys, normally nakafocus lang talaga ako sa eggs, sa mga meats, and sa mga green leafy vegetables. And pagdating naman sa ating inumin, mostly water at black coffee lang ako. Minsan mag-green tea or minsan mag-apple cider vinegar or yung ibang mga low carb approved, pero mostly water and coffee lang. Super okay na yon sa akin. So, para sa mga beginners, guys, na gusto pang mas matuto, we have our page. Ilalagay ko dito sa ating screen dahil we are having every Friday Q&A para makapagtanong kayo sa akin ng live. Make sure to follow our page kasi may mga details or may mga information tayo dyan, especially kung beginners ka na pwede mong matutunan. For our tip number 2, eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full. So, simula nung beginner ako, guys, yan talaga yung pinapractice ko. Make sure na kakain tayo kapag gutom and stop na tayo kapag busog na tayo. So, kung mapapansin ninyo, guys, kapag beginners tayo, I always recommend na hindi muna kayo magfa-fasting. But you have to practice, number 1 nga, ano ba yung nilalagay mo sa plato mo? And number 2, pinapractice mo ba na kumain ng kumain as long as it's a low carb meal? So, napaka-importante pagdating sa way of eating natin is hindi natin ginugutom yung mga sarili natin dahil yung mga dating sinasabi na kailangan kumain ka ng onte, hindi yun maganda dahil sinisira lang natin yung metabolism natin. So, tip number 2, guys, make sure to eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full lang para at least mabusog talaga tayo and talagang hindi tayo mabilis na magugutom. Always na listen to our body. For our tip number 3, do intermittent fasting. So, tip number 1, guys, is to make sure to focus on your basic meals na nilalagay mo sa plato mo. Tip number 2 is make sure to eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full. Kapag nasanay na yung katawan ninyo na puro low carb meals lang yung kinakain ninyo, hindi na kayo mahihirapan sa tip number 3, which is we need to do intermittent fasting. So guys, intermittent fasting, maraming mga taong gumagawa niyan, depende sa reasons. But when it comes to partnering it with the low carb way of eating, napakaganda kasi nutritious na choices yung ginagawa natin sa low carb way of eating natin. Plus, hahaluan natin or sasabayan natin ng intermittent fasting and mas mai-enjoy natin yung benefits ni fasting na napakadami naman talaga. So, if you want na mas maging mabilis yung inyong pag-lose ng weight or pag-improve ng inyong health, make sure to do intermittent fasting. Pagdating kay intermittent fasting, guys, hindi nyo kailangan pilitin na gawin kaagad ito kasi yung intermittent fasting, guys, ay nagtuturo sa atin kung kailan lang naman tayo mag-stop kumain and kailan na tayo mag-start na kumain. So, just enjoy doing intermittent fasting and soon ma-enjoy nyo rin yung mga benefits niyan. Those are the basic tips na ginagawa ko since beginner pa lang ako, guys, and up until now. And hopefully nakatulong sa inyong mga beginners dyan na gustong simulan ang inyong low carb way of eating bago man lang matapos this 2024. So if you have any questions, may nakalimutan ba ako, or meron kayong gustong sagutin sa ating next vlog, please make sure to comment down below. And don't forget to click on like kung ito ay nakatulong, and make sure to subscribe for more upcoming videos next. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you on my next video, and don't forget to always keep going. Bye!